multiplication of two numbers. To create a program in AI Connect to calculate the multiplication of two numbers, create a project in it. In this project, create a basic coding activity. Then, follow the given steps. Step 1. Go to the Variables category and click on the Create Variable block. Create 3 variables named A, B to take input from the user and C for the output. Step 2. Drag Set To block from Variables category. Click on the arrow in it to select A. Attach int block from Conversion category inside this block. Then, drag the Input Prompt block from the Input category and fix it inside the int block. Step 3. Perform the step 2 for variable B also. Step 4. Attach Set To block from Variables category. Click on the arrow in it to select C. Attach the Multiplication block from the Math category. Attach A and B variable blocks from the Variables category inside the Multiplication block. Step 5. Attach Print block from the Output category. Click on Setting icon on it and add one more item to it. Attach Input block and C variable block inside it. Step 6. Click on Run button. Enter any value of variable A and variable B in the given boxes and click on Enter button. The result will be displayed as shown in the image. In this program, we used coding concepts to calculate the multiplication of two numbers. Similarly, we can use coding concepts to solve various mathematical equations.